What's up, folks, and welcome back to Dice Reacts. Back at you with another banger. Tonight, I'm gonna be checking out the Carpenters, Rainy Days and Mondays. I've heard the name Carpenters before, I'm not sure. Yes, Rainy Days and Mondays, very interesting. Curious to hear what genre, on what the song is all about. Yes, but I from what I can gather, I think it's an older band or group, if I'm not mistaken. But we are gonna find out. So we ain't gonna waste no more time. We're just gonna get right into it, folks. We're gonna get right into it. Oh yeah. Ooh, beautiful beginning, beautiful intro.
Talking to myself and feeling old.
Guys, this is my type of track, man. Gotta take it back from the start. You know. Oh my goodness. Her voice is amazing.
Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me.
Guys, I gotta take a pause here. Her voice is so relaxing. I just miss the 80s. I miss the 70s. Music back then had so much meanings. Everything that they produced back in those times were just timeless. Real love, real joy. Real passion. You could feel it in her voice. You could feel it. You could feel that soul. She's not just singing notes right here. Amazing.
Who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
The icing on the cake.
Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me.
Those are the lips, man. Oh my goodness.
What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown.
Gotta take it back a bit, folks. She's so talented. The whole band is doing their thing, man. Wow. Music was so peaceful back then. Wow, I lost for words.
Get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down.
Brilliant, amazing. I could listen to that song again. My goodness, my goodness. Guys, you know I love those kind of music, those kind of songs, you know, music that's from the heart, from the soul, you know. And don't think I overlook the fact that she's on the drums while she's doing the lead vocals. Man, she's got talent, man. Guys, let me know if she's still around or if the group is still, you know, does, you know, like touring or so, no, like maybe like small gigs or what are they up to, you know. But her voice, like I've heard her voice before, because this is a unique voice. I don't know, maybe from another song from them, or maybe a solo act from her, but I've certainly heard the voice. That voice is too good to not be recognizable. If I came across it, I've heard it somewhere before, you know. Wow, this song is a 10 out of 10. It's certainly going into my collection without a doubt. I'm going to be checking more from the Carpenters. You guys let me know. Leave some suggestions, you know, the must, you know, songs that I have, the must listen to songs from them, you know. Yes, and I'm going to certainly check them out. But I'm going to do my best to, you know, find some of the songs that are more recognizable from them, you know. This song, I don't know how I've never heard it, but it sounds like a song that is very, very popular just by the production. Everything about it is just on point, you know. Wow, folks, there's so much music to be discovered. Wow, this has been a, you know, like a mellow mood, bittersweet mood, you know, just makes me a little emotional just remembering certain things. Yes, folks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends and your family. It'll certainly help me out here on this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what's on your mind. Dice Reacts got your back. Yes, feel free to leave some suggestions, you know. Engage with the audience. That's what we're here for on this channel. Yes, folks, we're here for one another. I'm gonna be doing plenty of reactions tonight, so you guys stick around for that. So I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. This is gonna be it for my reaction. This is where I'm gonna be making my exit. So until next time, peace out.